Hi, I'm Neil from XYZ Machine Tools. Today I'll show you how to enable and disable the fourth axis on the Siemens 828 control. So first off, you press menu select, then setup, and it says at the bottom of the screen it says current access level, key switch 3. So press password, set password, type in sunrise, press input, and now it says password is set, current access level is manufacturer. So press menu select again, then parameters, and then you come up with your tool library screen. So if you press this button here, which is the round the corner button, that will then give you the button saying easy extend. Okay, so it gives you a list of options on the screen, and then you've got fourth axis connection. So cursor down to that. Now you get activate, and it will say press emergency stop to continue. Make sure your emergency stop button's in. Press OK. Press OK again. It tells you there the rotary table activated now. Press OK. And then OK again. Now the bottom panel will start flashing to say that it's reloading. Once it's finished flashing, we can then connect the fourth axis, which I'll do now. Okay, so now bottom panel stopped flashing. It's alarm on the screen. So make sure the E-stop's in. We'll turn the machine off, connect the fourth axis, and turn it back on again. Okay, the machine has now come back on. You'll see on the screen, fourth axis is all enabled and ready to go. Job done.